This is the Shivelech volcano in Kamchatka, Russia. It has erupted continuously since 1999. It is 10,850 meters high and is highly explosive. This is footage of the volcano erupting in June of this year. It also has a river at the foot of it and is one of Russia's most active volcanoes, with over 60 huge explosions in the past 10,000 years. This is the San Francisco earthquake of 1906. It was in the early hours of April 18, 1906. This earthquake destroyed 80% of the city and over 3,000 people were killed. It was a 7.8 magnitude earthquake. The number one unintended consequence was fires caused by gas stoves. The fires destroyed most of the city. This is before and after footage of what Market Street looked like before and after the earthquake.